Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Krystal's over there moving wood from one rack to the other rack. It's some smaller pieces and stuff that we were keeping. We're in the process of filling these racks back up. We moved them all. So this is all the oak that was in the driveway. There's some more in that middle rack. And then she's gonna probably clear most of that rack off so we can keep moving. We got about half of that oak moved. So that's kind of first goal of the day is, well, the first goal of the day was get the mower out. I'm gonna hook it to the trailer, and then I got a fire going. So we're burning scrap pieces, scrap stuff from splitting and cutting. So those were the first goals. The second goal is going to be finish getting this oak moved. So I have to run back in the house because I don't have my car keys on me. So I got to move some cars around, and then I can start making trips back and forth. So I'm going to go inside, get the keys, and we're going to get to it.
Hey guys, so we figured we'd come back, give a little bit of an update. Mike's in the background. We got most of the wood moved from the front. You can kind of see it all in the back there stacked. We've still got the fire going, trying to burn off some of that garbage wood that we had up front. Kind of can't avoid that. But we got most of it moved up here. You can see the pile's almost gone. It's really not there anymore. There's a lot of small stuff that we do have to still find a spot for. And then we just have kind of our junk pile here. This is the stuff that we do have to burn. It's junk. There's stuff up here that needs to still get split, as you can see. But most of this stuff is moved. Quite a bit of wood. That's the stuff that was in the back originally, the old wood. So, yeah, we got a lot done today. So far. But that's kind of where we're at. I don't know what we're doing now. I don't know if we're going to try to get some of this stuff for burning and move it to a spot, or if we're just going to go inside and cool down. It's another hot day out here. I think this is the hottest summer we've had yet in Indiana in a long time. But we'll come back later and show you what's going on, or we'll have the camera going at some point.